This one got hit in the side. I have a Toyota Tundra here. This one got hit in the side, destroyed both the doors, and it crushed this rocker panel. Pushed in a far way right here, and it's actually pushed in all the way up to right about here. So it's going to get a new rocker panel section. This is how the part comes right from Toyota. Pretty simple and straightforward. It'll get sectioned right up here, right back here. Hopefully there's not a lot of damage behind there. I don't think there is, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece cut off, then I'll start fitting my new part up. Turns out there's a little minor damage right here. Not very bad, but luckily being this is an older Tundra, this is mild steel. It's not gonna be high strength steel, so I should be able to work that right back into shape. You can see how easily that's moving. If that was high strength steel, I would not be moving that. Now, I'm gonna sit this rocker panel on here, and I left it to where it overlaps the existing panel just a little bit on both sides. Then I'm gonna scribe my cut line. And that'll give me a perfect cut. So I could lift this back off and I could go ahead and trim those last little pieces off. One last thing before I send this one over to our paint department. This one gets a chip guard across the bottom of the rocker, and it gets taped off right about here. I'm gonna scuff up the bottom of this and I'll tape it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my chip guard on there. Then this one will be ready for our paint department.